Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Starfield on PC. First, let's ensure your system is ready. You'll need to check your computer's specifications against Starfield's minimum and recommended requirements. Make sure your operating system is Windows 10 or 11, 64-bit. Crucially, prepare for a significant download, as the game requires at least 125 gigabytes of storage. An SSD is strongly advised for the best experience, offering much quicker loading screens. Once you've confirmed your PC meets the requirements, it's time to install the game. You can purchase and download Starfield from popular digital storefronts such as Steam or the Microsoft Store. Simply follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Before launching, it's vital to update your graphics drivers to their latest version for optimal performance. Also, consider closing any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources. To get the smoothest gameplay, optimizing your in-game settings is key. Adjust the graphics options to find a good balance between visual quality and your desired frame rate. Lowering specific settings like shadow quality and volumetric lighting can provide a significant performance boost. Don't hesitate to experiment with resolution scaling to fine-tune your visual fidelity. If your graphics card supports it, enabling technologies like AMD FSR2 or NVIDIA DLSS can also greatly enhance your experience. Now you're ready to dive into the Starfield universe. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the game's controls and user interface. Then, embark on an epic journey, exploring countless planets, completing engaging quests, and customizing your ship and character to your heart's content. Should you encounter any technical issues, a good first step is to verify the integrity of your game files through your chosen launcher. For persistent problems, online forums and official support channels are excellent resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.